Today I'm going to talk about an exercise that I call fingering images. The purpose of this exercise is to create an efficient and effortless finger action that is very agile. We can view our fingerings as images. The image, for example, of a middle B is the first finger pressing the keys so that the pad touches the tone hole. Everything else is resting. However, we may find that we lift our fingers, we press hard, our hands are stiff, and that is our image of middle B. The image of a middle C sharp is complete rest. The fingers don't press anything and are resting lightly on the keys. I call this the neutral fingering because the hands are resting. Now this exercise is relatively simple. We go from C sharp to another note. We finger C sharp. We rest, let the fingers be soft, and take a breath. That's the image of C sharp. Then we let that go. We go to a B, for example. We press the first finger down. Our other fingers are resting. We take a breath. Let our bodies become soft. Feel the keys under our fingers. That's the image of B. Then you let that go and go back to the C sharp. You go back and forth between C sharp and B. Then you do it on C sharp and another note. You can also do this with making a tone. So you do the same thing. Take your saxophone, you finger middle C sharp, which is neutral. Exhale, take that image, and then produce a tone. Nothing special. Don't have to have this perfect tone. You let it go to the B, push the finger down, let your fingers barely touch the key, feel that image, exhale, then take a breath and play B. That's the image of B. You can also do this by slurring, which is a little different because you're going to imagine the next note. So I play C sharp, then I imagine the B, and then play the B. And then I come back and do the C sharp, like this. So I'm always using my imagination to sense what the next note is going to be like. You can also do this on your arm so that you press the skin of your forearm with one finger or a combination of fingers while the other fingers are barely brushing the skin. And notice if there's any activity there. Maybe a finger pops up or a finger twitches some or you're holding your breath. The idea of this is to let go. It's not about perfection. We're dealing with very small parts of our playing, but it's not about perfecting small parts of our playing. It's the process of noticing and letting go. So, this is the fingering images exercise. I'm Steve Duke. This is saxcoach.org.